Foot problems like odor, rough skin, cracked heels, or even nail fungus are very common, especially if your feet spend long hours inside shoes. Over time, sweat and bacteria can create an environment where these issues develop and become difficult to manage. Fortunately, there is a simple home method that many people use to help refresh and soften their feet using ingredients that are easy to find. Start by filling a large basin with about 5 liters of warm water. So it helps relax the feet and soften the skin. Add half a cup of apple cider vinegar to the water. Apple cider vinegar is often used in foot soaks because its natural acidity helps create an environment that is less friendly to certain types of bacteria and fungi. Sprinkle in a small amount of baking soda. Baking soda can help soften rough areas of skin and may also help reduce odors. Once everything is mixed, allow them to soak for about 15 minutes. During this time, the warm water helps loosen dead skin while the vinegar works on surface buildup. After the soak, remove your feet and gently rub areas of rough skin. Many people like to use a pumice stone at this stage to help remove softened dead skin from the heels and soles. Then rinse your feet with cool water and dry them carefully with a clean towel. For best results, wait about 20 minutes and then apply a moisturizing cream or lotion to help keep the skin soft and hydrated. Repeating this process a few times a week can help keep feet feeling cleaner, smoother, and more refreshed over time.